Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify WordPress SEO with Yoast configuration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying your WordPress SEO with Yoast configuration, log into your WordPress dashboard. Look for the SEO option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will take you to the Yoast SEO dashboard. Next, go to the General tab to access the basic settings. Review the site-wide SEO settings section to ensure your site is optimized. Check the site title and meta description fields. These should accurately represent your website's purpose and content. Next, navigate to the Search Appearance tab. Here, you will find options for titles and meta descriptions for different content types. Make sure to adjust the settings for posts, pages, and media. Continue to the Taxonomy section. Verify that categories and tags have appropriate settings for search engines. Next, go to the Social tab to link your social media accounts. Fill in your social media URLs to enhance your online presence. Now, visit the Tools section located in the Yoast dashboard. Use the file editor to check your robots.txt and .taxs files. Ensure these files are properly configured to allow search engine access. Next, visit a specific post or page you want to optimize. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO meta box at the bottom of the editor. Here, you will find fields for the focus key phrase, SEO title, and meta description. Enter your primary keyword in the focus key phrase section. Yoast will then analyze your content for SEO optimization. Review the readability and SEO analysis provided by Yoast. Make necessary adjustments based on these suggestions to improve your score. Finally, check the Content Insights section for keyword usage and related terms. After making all the adjustments, save or update your post or page. Repeat this process for all essential posts and pages on your website. Once complete, your WordPress SEO with Yoast configuration will be effectively verified. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.